What's up, friends? Have you ever made your own labyrinth? It's so much fun to play with. Here's what you need. Different types of glue, a cutting tool and scissors, white paper, cardboard, crayons to get creative with, a ruler, a black marker, a pencil and an eraser. Let's get crafty. First up, you need to draw your favorite logo on white paper using a pencil. Sweet. Now go over the lines with a black marker. It's okay to take your time to make it look perfect. 1, 2, 3. Nice. You can use any color crayon you like to make the logo pop. Now that the logo is finished, we need to plan out and draw the lines where the walls of the labyrinth need to go. You can use a pencil and a ruler to make it perfect. Nice work. If you have a stencil, this next step will be much easier. We need to measure and choose a circle that is a tad bigger than our ball we are going to play with. This is the one. Now create traps by drawing circles inside the walls of your labyrinth. Now it's time to paste the white paper to the cardboard using glue. I added a lot of glue to make sure it sticks for a lifetime. Good job! Now you need to be careful and cut out the holes made with your pencil and stencil. I'm so excited! I cut several strips using cardboard to use as walls for our labyrinth. I think I'm going to start with the outside walls first. You can use any glue you like. I'm going to use a glue gun because the glue dries really fast. Glue from the glue gun is hot, so be careful adding it to the strips. Measure the inside walls and cut the strips to fit. Then apply glue and begin on one side and work your way to the other. Looks good. Time to make the bottom part of the labyrinth using cardboard. Measure, cut, add glue, and voila! Awesome! Draw and cut out a small door on the left side. This is where the ball will exit if it falls into a trap. Almost done. Take 2 strips, add some glue and stick them to the sides of the box. Now add the start and finish stickers using glue. There we go. Put the labyrinth inside the box. Perfect fit. All that's left to do is to play and win. Here I go. Let me try going this way. Slow and steady. Almost there. Ooh, that was close. Woohoo! Goodbye.